In here from EMD, this is the car with the actual exhaust pressure valve open circuit. I had a video earlier on showing you guys how it was working, but now I can delete it. So this is the actual aftermarket exhaust valve system. Was actually connected to the actual car, but that was connected to here, all down here, and then for some reason they ran it underneath the bracket, and so we had to rip the whole seat out just to get that wire properly, otherwise we'll damage. Nonetheless, we're here now, so we're here. That wire came out here and go underneath there, and it's plugged into that one there. So now that's not there anymore. What we have now is actually a cigarette lighter that comes on when you have the ignition on, which is this one here, wired up to the actual car, separate circuit. So when you have the ignition on, this will be on, this part will be on, and when the ignition off, that will be off. So can you just turn on the key, just ignition on. So we're going to have the ignition on, so a light will come on. Yep. On. So now that's on. I've got a beep sound from here, it's working. So turn it off. So everything is off. That's it. So now everything's working, so we're going to put everything back together. No more faults in the system. And now the customer can drive the car without worrying about anything else. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.